One of the most important parts of any application you're trying to learn is the ability to find answers to any question you might have. Now, put aside all your previous experiences with inadequate, hard-to-use help menus in other applications. Help in InDesign and the rest of Creative Suite is easy to use to help you find the exact answer you're looking for fast. How does it work? Well, I could go under the Help menu to InDesign Help, but there is actually a faster way to find the answers you're looking for. There's a Find field above the control panel, and all I have to do is type in the subject that I want information about. Let's say I'm about to start working with the new animation features, and I've never used them before. Where do I find all of these features, and exactly how do they work? Well, I'm just going to type in animation in the Find field, and then I'm just going to hit Return or Enter. And it's going to open a separate application which will find information from the entire Adobe community on the web from around the world. Now, usually the answer I'm looking for is in the first 3 or 4 listings on the left side of the window, but I'm just going to click on the first one, and I can find information about animating a document with motion presets, or converting selected objects to a motion path, motion preset options, and so on and so forth. Let me just scroll down so you can see the kinds of information that would be available. There's even a video on Adobe's website that takes you through the animation process step by step. Very cool. And of course, if you can't find the exact answer you need, just send me an email at adobeace@comcast.net and I'll be happy to provide assistance.